Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch is paired and running a recent watch OS release. That reduces syncing problems. Once done, press the digital crown, find Messages, or say, "Hey Siri, open Messages." You tap an existing thread to view the latest messages or force-touch the screen to start a new message. Make sure your iPhone is nearby if cellular is off, because many actions still route through the phone. Now you're ready to compose or update a message on the watch. You pick how to input: dictation for speed, scribble for single letters, or a preset reply for simplicity. Dictate and watch the text appear. Make edits by tapping into the field, then use the digital crown to navigate characters and the on-screen backspace to remove mistakes. Add a quick audio message or use digital touch to send a sketch or tap. These enrich messages. Once the content is correct, press send. This method keeps messages concise and leverages watch-specific features for clarity. You finish by refreshing conversation lists. Pull down in Messages to force a refresh, then wait a few seconds for iCloud sync. If replies aren't appearing, restart the Apple Watch and the paired iPhone. Many sync glitches clear this way. Make sure Messages is enabled in settings, that send and receive addresses are correct, and that iCloud Messages is on if you use it. If still stuck, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi briefly. This often restores message delivery without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.